Hello friends, today discuss about owl birds. Welcome to the world of owls. These mysterious and magical creatures have fascinated us for centuries. In this video, we will uncover 20 amazing facts about owls that will leave you in awe.
Can you
From
start
their
recording?
silent flight to their wise reputation, get ready to discover the secrets of these incredible night hunters. Let's begin. 1. Owls are night birds. Owls are most active in night. They sleep during the day and hunt when it is dark. This makes them nocturnal. 2. Big eyes for better sight. Owls have big eyes that help them see clearly in the dark. Their eyes are specially made for nighttime vision. 3. Heads can turn far. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around up to 270 degrees. This helps them look in every direction without moving their bodies. 4. They have silent flight. Owls are very quiet when they fly. Their feathers are soft and designed to stop noise, helping them sneak up on their prey. 5. Owls eat meat. Owls are carnivorous, meaning they eat meat. They catch and eat small animals like mice, rabbits, and even insects. 6. Sharp claws. Owls have strong and sharp claws called talons, which they use to grab their prey. 7. Unique sound. Owls make different sounds like hoots, scratches, and whistles. Each type of owl has its own unique call. 8. They swallow food whole. Owls don't chew their food. They swallow it whole and later spit out the bones and fur in the form a form of a small ball called a pellet. 9. Eyes are fixed. Unlike humans, owls cannot move their eyes. Instead, they move their heads to look around. 10. Live in many places. Owls live all over the world except in Antarctica. They can live in forests, deserts, grasslands, and even cities. 11. Owls are symbols of wisdom. In many cultures, owls are seen as wise and intelligent birds. They are often called the bird of wisdom. 12. Different sizes. Owls come in many sizes. The smallest owl, the elf owl, is only about 5 inches tall, while the largest, the great grey owl, can be over 30 inches tall. 13. Camouflage masters. Owls' feathers often match the color of trees or their surroundings. This helps them stay hidden from predators and prey. 14. Amazing hearing. Owls have excellent hearing. Some can even hear small animals moving under snow or leaves. 15. Owls lay eggs. Female owls lay eggs and the baby owls are called owlets. They grow quickly and learn to fly within weeks. 16. Eyes are tubes. An owl's eyes are shaped like tubes, not balls. This helps them focus better on objects far away.
Are you still recording?
17. Not all owls hoot. While many owls hoot, some make other sounds like hissing or chirping. The barn owl, for example, makes a scratching noise. 18. Owls have few enemies. Owls are strong and smart, so they don't have many predators. However, larger owls and eagles might attack smaller owls. 19. Lifespan. Owls can live a long time in the wild. They live for about 10 to 20 years, and the capacity they can live even longer. Owls are ancient birds. Owls have been around for a very long time. Fossils show that owls existed millions of years ago. Owls are fascinating creatures with many special abilities. They are quiet hunters, wise symbols, and important parts of nature. Is not it amazing to learn about them? Thanks. Please subscribe my channel.